Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A54, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector, which looks similar to this. Will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone. You can see where the pin is holding. You want to push that pin in, and you will see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out from here. Now on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now if you're planning to use 1 SIM card, which I will be doing so, you can place it on either one of those spots. It doesn't really matter. Now it looks like the tray for the SIM card, you can just quickly check it with the other one. Yep, so the tray for the SIM card actually clips the card in place. So make sure it's not protruding anywhere. If you flip it over, it also shouldn't be falling out of the tray. If that is the case, you can then insert it back into your device. And the card, both of them, should start working right away. So as you can see, it does give us a notification about the Samsung SD card being inserted, so that is working fine. Now when it comes down to the SIM card, if I would go into the settings, it would show that there is a SIM card, though it won't find reception as the card has been deactivated a long time ago. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.